The Tower Run we had introduced in 2014. So this is the 5th edition, and it was the first Tower Run in India that we brought into Goa. At that time, we were of course tied up with CII and Young Indians. You all must have covered it in those days. And Link has come in as our prime sponsor from 2015. Yeah. From the last few Tower Runs, last 4 Tower Runs now. At this point in time, Goa is the pride of holding the only Tower Run race in India. It involves running up man-made structures. There could be buildings, there could be towers, there could be steps going up a hill or whatever. But it involves, it's a race going up man-made structures. Most of them are held in business districts. The New York one, for example, is held at the Empire State Building. Then you have them in all these tall buildings all over. There are certain criteria for the Tower Run. One is that the minimum flight of stairs should be 35 floors, flight of floors. And fortunately for us, we've got 35 floors here in the Pato complex, one building next to the other. So the race starts at Gera 2, the Imperium, Gera Imperium 2, finishes in Dempo Trade Center. That's the last building. And then the finish line is on the road itself. So we've got 3 categories happening there. One is the team event, which we are focusing with the corporates. And the first Tower Run had about 5 or 6 corporate teams. Today we are close to about 35 corporate teams. 35 corporate teams, companies from Goa itself. There's the fire services who've been participating for a long time. Then we have 20 to 25 odd student teams from all the colleges. They're looking at, there's of course going to be live music playing there. So the idea is to make it into a fun event for the average citizen. It doesn't have to be a trained athlete who can, run a marathon or play cricket or football. It doesn't need that kind of training. This is an event where anybody and everybody can take part, take advantage of being in a sporting activity, improve their health, improve their fitness. So that's the goal of Tower Running.